The man in the vehicle is 54-year-old Gregory Hill, who showed up and just parked outside of police officer Jack Brown's house while he was off duty. Brown would go ask Hill if there was something he needed. This was when Hill would get irate and start swearing at Brown. Hill would back up his car hitting a mailbox and then try to run over Brown.
Hands! 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 On the ground! On the ground right now! Right now! Get on the ground! I will pop you right where you at!
Brown's legs would be run over, and Hill somehow didn't get shot. Neighbors would subdue Hill until police arrived, and Brown only spent one night in the hospital before being released. Hill has been indicted with attempted murder.